Good morning, one and all. Today's target will be understanding Section 3 uh, of Patents Act, Indian Patent Act 1970. And this page is derived from the official website of intellectual properties in India. So, what Section 3 covers is what cannot be patented, what are not inventions, what are not patentable. So, Patents Act 1970, Section 3. So, let us go through all the subparts of Section 3. Section 3A says an invention which is frivolous or which claims anything obviously contrary to established natural laws. This cannot be patented. Section 3B, an invention, the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of which will be contrary to public order, to morality, which causes prejudice to human, animal, or plant life or health, or to the environment. So, Section 3B deals with that. Section 3, what it says, what cannot be patented? The mere discovery. Section 3C says that the mere discovery of a scientific principle or formulation of an abstract theory or discovery of any living thing or non-living substance occurring in the nature. So section 3C deals with discovery, and it says that any discovery related to this is not patentable. Section 3D is very important, very interesting, related to pharma world. So what it says is, if you discover a new form of a known substance which does not enhance the known efficacy of the existing substance, okay, the mere discovery of any new property or new use for a known substance or of the mere use of a known process, machine or apparatus, unless such known process results in a new product or employs at least one new reactant. So this is section 3D related to pharma world. What it says is, say for example, salts are there, ethers are there, esters are there, polymorphs are there, metabolites are there, pure form, particle size, isomers, mixtures of isomers, complexes, combinations, and other derivatives of known substance. So will come under all this, okay? Unless they are significantly different in property related to the efficacy. So section 3D is pretty important related to the pharma world. Section 3C says that this cannot be patented. What we are listing out, basically, we are listing out section 3. And what section 3 speaks about? Section 3 speaks about what cannot be patented. Section 3 speaks about what cannot be called as an invention. Section 3 speaks about the list of non-patentable things in according to Indian Patent Act. Okay, so let us go to section 3E. What it says is this cannot be patented. What cannot be patented? A substance obtained by a mere mixture resulting in the aggregation of the properties or of the components or of a process for producing such substance. Section 3F, what it says, if I arrange or rearrange or duplicate a known devices, each functioning independently of one another in a known way, this cannot be patented. Section 3G is omitted. So we should always remember, if a question comes saying what is section 3G, it is omitted. Section 3H says methods of agriculture, methods of horticulture cannot be patented. Section 3I says medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic, therapeutic or other treatments of human being or any process for a similar treatment of animals to render them free of disease or to increase their economic value or that of their product cannot be patented. So 3I deals with what? Surgeries. 3I deals with what? Therapeutic treatments. 3I deals with what? Diagnostic, curative processes. Let us go to 3J, section 3J. What cannot be patented? A plant or an animal in whole or any thereof of other microorganisms, including seeds, varieties, species, and essentially biological processes for production or propagation of plants and animals. So these cannot be patented, plants and animals in whole, okay, or microorganisms or seeds or species or biological processes for production or propagation of plants and animals. These cannot, this under section 3J. Section 3K says is your algorithms, computer programs, mathematical methods, business methods cannot be patented. So K, section 3K is related to computer programs and algorithms. So where you can get the protection, then they can be copyrighted. They can be copyrighted. Similarly, section 3L deals with these cannot be patented. What can be patented? Literature, drama, music, art, aesthetic creation, cinematography, television, all these cannot be patented because all these come under copyrights. All these come under copyrights. Section 3M, say you are playing a game, the mental act or method of performing steps of the game, they cannot be patented. That is 3M. So 3N is presentation of information, this cannot be patented. 3O is topography of integrated circuit, because in India for integrated circuits there is a separate division, okay, semiconductor devices and integrated circuits. There is a separate division where they can be protected instead of patenting them. Coming to the last 3P, an invention which is in effect a traditional knowledge. Say for example, India has a huge traditional knowledge in Vedas and everywhere, like Tulsi or neem tree or haldi or basmati. So all those cannot be patented. So this was a small brief about section 3 of Indian Patent Act 1970, starting with A to P.